In the facilities maintenance program, this is the only program you can learn all the trades. I really like hands-on. I like figuring out how things work, how they're put together, and this is a very hands-on program. You get to put it together yourself. You get to see how it works. On top of carpentry, we are going to be learning a little bit of welding soon. We are learning some electrical, some HVAC. We just learned how to repair drywall. We are learning forklift. We are even learning some plumbing and how to put the pipes together. We are learning a little bit of all the trades. After I complete the facilities maintenance program, I plan to find a career within the trades I have learned. I would say learn all you can, soak it all up, because there's a lot you can learn and a lot of different careers